Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to hide your IP address on an iPhone. So this is really simple to do with NordVPN that you can access using the link in the description below. Alright, so you can see we can enhance our privacy by instantly hiding IP address using NordVPN. They have this feature, so you can see once you click on protect your IP, you get to choose the plan that you want to get started with. So they do come with IP hiding features, which can be really useful for, let's just say you are trying to jump between different regions and trying to simply avoid the exposure of your IP to different vulnerable sources that can potentially harm your devices and your personal data. So you can get NordVPN using the link in the description below to get exactly the feature that you're looking for, hiding your IP address and making it safe. So on an iPhone, it is the best way to do it. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.